Primary sex organs. Those reproductive/sex organs which produce gametes and sex hormones are called primary sex organs. Secondary sex organs. Secondary sex organs are those reproductive/sex organs which perform important functions in reproduction but do not form gametes or secrete sex hormones. Gametogenesis. Gametogenesis refers to the process of formation of gametes for sexual reproduction. Spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of spermatozoa in the seminiferous tubules of the testis. Spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is the process of transformation of spermatids into spermatozoa. Spermiation. Spermiation is the process of release of the spermatozoa from the seminiferous tubules. Oogenesis. Oogenesis is the process of formation of ova in the ovary. Follicular atresia. It is the process of degeneration of a number of primary follicles in the ovary of a human female from birth to puberty. Menarche. The beginning of menstruation at puberty in primate females is called menarche. Ovulation. Ovulation is the process of rupture of mature graphical follicle and release of the ovum, that is secondary oocyte, from it. LH surge. LH surge refers to the maximum level of LH, luteinizing hormone, during middle of menstrual cycle. Menopause. Menopause refers to the stoppage of menstruation and menstrual cycle in primates/human females at around the age of 45 to 50. Semen. The fluid mixture of seminal plasma and the spermatozoa is called semen. Insemination. Insemination refers to the deposition of sperm semen into the female genital tract. Fertilization. Fertilization is the process of fusion of a male gamete with a female gamete leading to the formation of zygote. Cleavage. Cleavage is the first phase of embryonic development where the zygote undergoes mitotic divisions in quick succession to become a multicellular structure. Implantation. Implantation is the process in which the embryo becomes embedded/attached to the wall of the uterus. That is implantation. Umbilical cord. Umbilical cord is the structure that connects the placenta with the fetus. Fetal ejection reflex. The initial mild contraction of the uterus initiated by the fully developed fetus and the placental hormones constitute the fetal ejection reflex. Parturition. Parturition refers to the birth or delivery of fetus. Lactation. Lactation is feeding of the newborn baby with mother's milk. Colostrum. The milk that comes out of the mammary glands of the mother during the initial few days after childbirth is called colostrum. Reproductive health. Reproductive health means a total well-being in physical, emotional, behavioral and social aspects of reproduction. Population explosion. An enormous increase in the size of a population in a short span of time is called population explosion. Lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea refers to the absence of menstruation during the period of intense lactation following parturitions. Intrauterine devices, IUDs. These are the devices inserted in the uterus to achieve contraception. Vasectomy. Sterilization procedure in males by ligation of vas deferens is called vasectomy. Tubectomy. Sterilization procedure in females by ligation of fallopian tube is called tubectomy. Medical termination of pregnancy, MTP. Intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion. Sexually transmitted diseases, STDs. Diseases or infections that are transmitted through sexual intercourse are called sexually transmitted diseases or venereal diseases, VDs, or reproductive tract infections, RTIs. Infertility. Infertility refers to the inability of a couple to produce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. In vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization refers to the fusion of gametes fertilization outside the body in almost similar condition as that of the body in the laboratory vitreous glass, fusion in glass tubes, or dishes. Vitreous means glass. Thank you.